In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign to send wholesale real estate contracts to your sellers. 5 minutes. We're going to move from a finished contract on your computer to a fully signed, trackable, and shareable agreement using Docusign. This process keeps deals moving, reduces mistakes, and gives you a clear audit trail for compliance. First, make sure your wholesale purchase and sale agreement is fully finalized and saved as a PDF. That means all terms are agreed to, addresses and legal descriptions are correct, and any blanks are properly filled. If you combined multiple pages or exhibits, confirm they're in the right order and easy to read. Save the file with a clear name so it's easy to find later. Next, log into Docusign. If you haven't used it in a while, a quick password check before you start can save time. Once you're in, you'll be at the home dashboard. Click Start and upload your PDF. After the upload finishes, verify you've selected the correct document. Give the file a quick scan to make sure each page looks crisp and nothing is cut off at the margins. Now add your recipients, enter the seller's full name and email address. If there are multiple sellers, add each one as a separate recipient. You can also include yourself if you need to sign. Set the signing order so the right person signs first. For example, you might sign before the seller if your signature needs to appear as the offer. If the seller should sign first, place them at the top of the order. Double check email addresses to avoid delays. With recipients set, it's time to place fields. Drag the signature field to each signature line and drop the date signed field next to it. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct person. Look at the color coding to confirm. Repeat this for every location that requires a signature and date. Zoom in to align the tags neatly and keep them off any pre-printed text. When everything looks good, click send. Docusign will email the package to your seller, and your dashboard will show real-time status, sent, viewed, or completed, so you always know where things stand. Once everyone has signed, Docusign automatically sends a completed, legally binding copy to all parties. You'll also receive a completion certificate for your records. Download and store the final packet in your deal folder so it's easy to share with your transaction coordinator or title company. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently send wholesale real estate contracts through Docusign and keep your deals moving smoothly.